So in this slide, we'll try to understand what are seal systems. Okay, if you see, it's a mechanical device where something is rotating and we are converting the energy into kinetic energy. There will be a shaft which will be continuously rotating and we have to seal all those shafts. Okay, this is a global scenario in food industry to petrochemical and nuclear plant. Everywhere this condition is there. We have to seal the rotating shafts. Okay, so if you see, mechanical seal is a device with varying parts. Unless it is serviced from time to time, it will ultimately fail. Okay, so this failure of mechanical seal will mean leakage of pumped fluid outside. Okay, so there may be different consequences. Sometimes leakage is accepted up to some level. Okay, we can allow the leakage until someone notices it, but sometimes it will mean a possible fire on leaking hydrocarbon pump. Okay, so we need to avoid all these leakages. To avoid all these leakages, there are few sealed systems. Now let us try to understand what are sealed systems. To avoid these leakages, seals are very often used together with so-called seal systems to alert the personnel about a problem. Okay, we have a rotating shafts, we have a seal for rotating shafts. There will be leakage. Okay, if we don't go for time to time maintenance, then it will ultimately fail. There will be leakage. Leakage may be accepted or may not be acceptable. So to detect all these leakages, we have seal systems, okay, which will alert the personnel and inform them that there is a leakage and we need to go for pump repair. Okay, so most commonly used seal plans in our industry are the ones with closed loop seal systems. Okay, in closed loop seal system, what happens? The fluid which is pumped, it goes back to the suction line. Okay, so in the event of seal failure, the barrier fluid pushes inside the pump, causing pressure drop in the seal system and raising an alarm. Okay, when the pumped fluid is sent back to the line, then there will be pressure drop. That pressure drop can be sensed through a seal system, and that will raise an alarm in the control room. If it's still unnoticeable, then it will trip the pump and down the system. Okay, so it is nothing but the checking procedure. Okay, if there is a leak, there will be leak because something is rotating and there is a seal around that. That seal will leak to check whether there is a leakage or not. That seal systems are there. Okay, so in next slide we will try to cover one of the seal systems so that it is more clear to everybody. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.